Hello sci-fi fans, this is Greg from Greg Reviews Sci-Fi, and today we're going to review a Star Trek model from Eaglemoss. Now, what makes this video a little bit different is that I've been subscribed to these Eaglemoss StarTrek models for over a year, and I've never opened them. So they're stacked up, and we're going to open one of them today. So let's see what it is together. We got to go into the dungeon to get one. Okay, so which one will it be? Let's see. No, this one. The winner. Which one will it be? All right, let's go up to the studio. All right, here we are, ready to open the box. Now, I've been wanting to open these, but I just haven't had time. So it's good that I didn't, because now I can open them on camera. All right, so I have no idea what ship it is. We'll see if you can see it before I do. Ooh. We have more than one. Oh, it's the jackpot box. Now, I don't know if you get more than one or not, so you know, I guess we're going to see what's in the other boxes as we do it. But it looks like we have Voyager, which is awesome. One of my favorite, I guess my second favorite Trek show. Doesn't say on the box. Ooh, doesn't say on the box what it is. All right, and this is the Excelsior. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let me prop this up. What you also get are issues of their Star Trek magazine that gives you details about the ship itself. So this is the Excelsior class, launched 2290, a length of 467 meters and 32 decks. That's awesome. Put that there. I'll show you more of it in a minute. And there's the Voyager one, issue 6, Intrepid class, launched 2371, 343 meters, 15 decks. So quite a bit smaller than the Excelsior. All right, let's move these out of the way. And let's open these suckers up. Let's put this over here. We'll start with the Excelsior. Oh, the plastic is already off on this thing. What? Not mint. Come on, Eaglemoss. At least give me some plastic on here. Look at Voyager. Nice, all plasticky. It's okay, I'm gonna open it anyway. So it's in a little sandwiched piece of plastic here. We're going to keep this because case I want to put it back in there. Ooh. Give you a closer look here in just a second. Wow. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's put this there, see what else comes in here. So that was the model itself. And this is the display base. And here's the little fork. Just like that. And I'll give you a little bit closer look here in just a second. All right, let's get Voyager opened up. And I'm really excited about Voyager. I mean, it's almost like getting the Enterprise. Very cool. The nacelles don't move, but very cool. All right, let's do the oh, that's really cool. I didn't just notice that. So it actually says what it is on the back here. If you can see that. Okay. It looks like each base is made to accommodate the ship. Right, so see how this is off to one side? The question is how does it sit on here? There's no way it can sit like this. Man. Exciting. All right, let's get some close-up shots for you. So I end up reshooting the ships the next day, and what I really noticed is that Voyager has really got a bunch of chipped paint, and the nacelles look kind of crusty. So as far as quality, one good, one bad. So anyway, I just wanted to jump in and acknowledge some of those flaws. All right, now let's take a look at the Excelsior book. I'm not going to go through it, but just give you an idea of what's inside. Talks about the ship, some of its history, where it appeared on screen. A lot of cool, if you're into Star Trek, a lot of cool information. We all know this guy, don't we? Very, very cool. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the Voyager magazine. Looks like episode 6. Intrepid class. Again, the nice picture. And the contents. Ooh, hidden feature. Designing the ship, filming it on screen. Very cool. Thanks for watching this unboxing. These die-cast Star Trek models from Eaglemoss. One the Excelsior, one the Voyager. I mean, they look pretty detailed to me. I'll have to examine them closer to, you know, and check out some on-screen pictures to see if they're missing anything. But from the look of it, they're very cool at least. So I can't vouch for their accuracy at this point, but they're very, very, very cool. I appreciate you watching. If you like this kind of unboxing, leave a comment. Follow me on Facebook at Greg Reviews Sci-Fi, Twitter, Greg Reviews Sci-F, and Instagram at Greg Reviews Sci-Fi. And of course, please subscribe to this video and this channel. And thanks a lot. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.